Hey everybody, Chris here, just giving you a little tour of our shop here. We've got lots of fantastic gifts available for this coming holiday season. So if you're in the market for a typewriter or typewriter supplies, we've got ribbons, all different colors. We've got silk ribbons, nylon, cotton. We've got these fantastic mugs that we've had made that all have individual typewriter quotes on them. We've got typewriter tins, typewriter cards, typewriter pins, typewriter stickers. We've got copies of Tom Hanks's book, some other typewriter books. We've got these fantastic little action figures with the Adler typewriter from The Shining and some other little knickknacks in there. A fantastic selection of paper, including some of our favorites here. We've got some typewriter maintenance kits, which have been very popular lately. So these are fantastic gifts if you're looking to get into typewriter repair, or if you know somebody who has one and they want to maintain their own typewriter. Great gift for that. Again, more knickknacks. We've got some candles. We've got typewriter t-shirts, typewriter books, and then of course lots and lots of typewriters. So we've got Olympias, Royal, Smith Coronas, Olivetti's. We've also got some really cool, tote bags that we had made, and some of them were made in the shop. We've got just a real nice selection of stuff. So if you're interested in typewriters, if you want to stop by the shop, feel free to do so. Or if you want to order online, we're shipping all throughout the holidays. And, we're using UPS and other shipping companies, so you don't have to worry about missing your package because of Canada Post. So if you have any questions, if you need anything, just give us a shout.